Hey there, Lawn Care family. This is Darian with Quick Cuts Premium Lawn Care, come to you all the way from Conyers, Georgia. I'm about to show you our 2021 lawn care setup. Alright, since I'm going to show you some of our lawn care secrets, I need you to like and subscribe to our channel. Click that button. Alright, we're going to start here with what we're running, what our muscle power is. It's our Dodge 1500 Ram. Now, the reason what we do with the Ram, we both basically use it to do our commercial properties, and we use it for the long distances when we pull our trailer to go out and take care of these properties. All right, this was our first setup. This is what we say the foundation, how we got started. We started off with this 6x12 trailer. We was able to get our a 40-inch in, and we had a stand-on 40-inch, which was what we operated with John Deere, and we had our Bradley as our backup, along with, we put our weed eaters, our blowers, and our gas all in here, with the, which was our first setup before we moved on to the box trucks. All right, Lawn Care family, let me let you know what we got going on in here. We have our 50-inch John Deere. In the back, we got our 30-inch Bradley. Of course, we have our blower set up. We have our hedgers, our hand blower, some of our attachments to our Stihl detachable equipment. We got our 2 weed eaters and our stick edgers. Also got in the back an air tank, because we still have our John Deere is no flats, but we still got the air pressure tires that we got to make sure we're ready just in case we running low on air. All right, our next setup is an NPR Isuzu box truck, as you can see right here. This was our operation where we started out with our 60-inch John Deere, our 40-inch Bradley, and our 30-inch walk behind. Now, what I like about the Isuzu, I like the space, the room, be able to maneuver as we get into getting certain tools, weed eaters, blowers, things like that. Now, what I didn't like about it is that it was diesel. So being so used to operating my own personal vehicle, pulling up to the gas station, and where the gas stations have the diesel right alongside the regular, just working out of my reflexes, I always reach for the regular gas, and to put regular gas in a diesel truck is about $3,000 in repairs. All right, I'll let you know what all goes into when we do our cleanups. Right now we have our 60-inch John Deere, and this piece right here comes with a leaf plow where we actually can show the leaves when we need it. And then over here we have our bagger, and which just had to be installed. So we had to have this as an addition. We had this installed on here. And so what we do is, with our system, we have this one go around. It actually can throw the leaves for us and mulch the leaves, and this one right here can follow behind it and pick up what's the debris that's left behind. Therefore, we're able to get a momentum going without it trying to take on the whole pressure of sucking up everything. So this is our leaf bagging system. All right, what's up next is our third edition, which is a U-Haul box truck. It's a 10-footer, and it costs us about $11,000. Now, what I like about the U-Haul compared to, let's say, the Isuzu box truck, or when we operate the truck and trailer, is the convenience of it. It operates just like a regular little small pickup, within view, within handling, and I like that convenience. Now, what I don't like about it, compared to, like I say, the Isuzu, you have so much space that you can move around and get your equipment. And here, you have to step over the mower and things like that because of such a tight space. But it does compact everything in regards towards operating in a very convenient type style when it comes to out here maintaining our yards. All right, now this is our setup of what goes into our U-Haul. All right, we have our Bradley, which is going to go all the way back in the back on the back wall, and it's going to face from left to right. And then we'll put our 60-inch John Deere in. We'll back it up in there, and it sets real tight. In order to even close the door, we even have to rotate the tires of the front on the John Deere. And we had the U-Haul modified, where you have your wheel wells. We had to cut them short just so that the deck of the mower will slide right over it, kind of like a puzzle, and fit in there nice and snug. All right, now we're about to move to our 4th edition, and now we're moving into the cookie cutter. This right here is the same setup as the one I told you about our 3rd edition, which is a U-Haul as well. And so now when we move to the residentials, everything is precise. We want to make sure that everything can stay in that nice tight package, therefore we can continually understand how we're going to grow as a couple. All right, moving to our 5th edition, which is a Ford F-250, and this cost us about $14,000. All right, now the reason why we had to get this truck because we needed the power to be able to haul like things such as our dump trailer, and we had a F1, we had a 1500, which does not have the power to be able to take on that type of load and carry that ton or whatever it is that we loaded up with in the debris. All right, now what you see right here is our dump trailer, in which our debris loader, where we can load up sticks, things like that. But we have on the back of it a leaf vac that sucks up our leaves for us. It puts us in another situation where we can be able to earn income by taking up and hauling off leaves. All right, lawn care family, this is our 2021 lawn care setup. I want to thank you for watching, but it'll really help if you click that button, like and subscribe. See you, Cutz.